Hi everybody, it's Kevin Pryfigle here from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we have featured a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Sport Edition, and it's the Blacktop Edition. This is featured in octane red is the exterior color on this. It's got a beautiful sparkle. Sun just went behind a cloud, but it's a very beautiful color. This again with the Blacktop Edition gives you blackout wheels, black grille. This vehicle also has remote start. It also has your black leather and suede insert seats. These are also heated seats. It also has a heated leather wrapped steering wheel, the power heated mirrors. All your doors, of course, are all power sliding. Seat belts for 7, rear heat and air conditioning. Just a beautiful van. If you have people that you need to move around or you like to travel, this would be a beautiful van for you. And it's the Blacktop Edition with the octane red, just really makes this thing really sporty. This also of course has the rear backup camera, which we can't see. Kind of see a little bit of that sparkle I was talking about in this thing. Power seat, power rear quarter vent windows, power locks, power windows, power mirrors, Bluetooth for the phone so you can pair your phone. Also has the 6.5-inch touchscreen display. Again, heated seats, heated steering wheel. Just a beautiful van, along with the remote start, so you can find your van nice and cool this time of year on a hot summer day, or those chilly days and nights are coming up here in about 3 or 4 months. Again, this is stock number 28467T. It's a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Blacktop Edition, featured in octane red metallic. If you have any questions on this beautiful Grand Caravan SXT, or on any beautiful vehicle you've seen on the lot or on the internet, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-678-4188. Again, my name is Kevin Pryfigle from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. As always, thanks for the opportunity and have a beautiful day.